So, welcome everybody. What's up? So, AI based, artificial intelligence based game development. So, I can tell you one thing about this. So, all these characters, what you're seeing over here, are being created by an AI text to image kind of thing. Okay, see the beauty of it. Every character is unique and it has a lot of fun stuff with it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to take this character, I'm going to animate it, and I'm going to make a game out of it, and I'm going to publish it on the Android Play Store. So I'm not joking, friends, I'm telling it seriously. Okay, I'm dead serious about this. So let's get started, and you can see this wonderful character, a bubbly boy, and I'm going to make him run, walk, and I'm going to make him as a game character. Okay, so some cute characters are over here. So who else we have? So this one is so cute that I could not avoid him. Okay, it doesn't mean that a person is brighter, it means that he is so cute. Okay, there are also other things. People who are dark complexity also have their uniqueness. So I'm going to make a character out of it. So everyone is a hero over here. And dark complexity doesn't matter because color doesn't matter. Okay, everybody has a unique talent. Okay, so I love this kind of childish thing. Okay, she's so cute. So I'm going to use her, but her hands are not so well formed in that thing. So these are all created by DALL-E. Okay, DALL-E is something that you can tell that it is an kind of image generation from text. So you have no copyright issues on this because every image is being generated by a text to image thing. Okay, so let's start our game development, and this is a very fun thing. Okay, it looks like a very Asian boy. Okay, so let's get started with another thing. So this one is so cute. So these characters are going to be the game characters, and I think this would be the first app that is going to show something about what to say, something about artificial intelligence based game development. Okay, so this is a so good one, so I could not avoid anything. Okay, I love this character. I will make more of these things. So this one is so good, and I can tell you that this is not being formed by any other thing. It is just about making it with an artificial intelligence algorithm. Okay, there is no copyright issues on this. Okay, so I have one more thing. So you have this boy. I don't know whether it's a boy or a girl. It's so wonderful and cute. So we can take this. Okay, right. And one more thing is, this is what I'm going to tell. So this is a generative adversarial network, not a generative adversarial network, but a thing that is based on mainly on text to image generation. So artificial intelligence will take everybody's job in a game development platform. So actually you have to see that creating these characters are very complex, because when you start to create these characters it will take a very long time. Okay, but with the help of DALL-E, I will give you the link of those videos below. You please go and check it. And as you can see that even Thanos is being created. Okay, Thanos is being created in a very lucrative manner, and it understands like Asuras. It understands Thanos like Asuras. So it is mixing Thanos with the Asuras in the temple. Okay, so somehow it is able to understand. Okay, so let's start building it, and you have a Facebook API for this. So what this Facebook API makes is that it makes the game characterization very easy. Okay, so how to make this? So as you can see that you have to go here, Facebook cartoon API. Okay, sketch mod lab. It is actually sketch mod lab from children's drawing. API from children's drawing. Or else I will give you the link directly. Okay, so there is a Facebook thing like sketch meta mod lab. Okay, see how fast it is. You have to understand. See, I am just uploading the photo. So we will go with a very easy character now. A very cute one. I like this boy. Okay, so this is being uploaded. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click this next. Okay, I have to agree the terms because this could be open source. I don't care about that because this was being created by me. And you have to click the next. So it should be a tightly packed box over there. And as you can see that it is masking it. It is masking it very correctly. Okay, everything is masked and it is highly accurate. So we can go for the next. And that's it, my friends. Everything is created accurately. Okay, you have all those animations and all those things. Now it is being created. And I can tell you that I'm going to make a character out of this. So you can see that boy jumping there. Okay, let me show you. See, you don't need every animation of this. Okay, this is actually what I'm telling is this is the end of all those things. Okay, this is the end of all those things what you're seeing there. Okay, so if you're able to make, actually there are some mistakes that he's keeping his hands straight and walking and is not doing well. But I can tell you that there are certain postures like this. Okay, certain postures like this where he can make a wonderful thing. So how did I do this? So this is just an pose estimation and all those things which are being combined. Okay, so let me make another drawing which could be very unique, and which could serve better for our game. So this one is a very good one. So we can go with another one like we have a 3D character boy. So let me go with this boy now. This one is good and this one is good, but I prefer this posture is mainly important. Okay, this one is very important because he has the correct posture. Actually his hands should be right and left. When I was generating it with the stable diffusion or all those things, I need those game characters. A boy is standing on a land, stretching his hand right and left side, and he is facing towards you. So it will create an image, random image like this. So you have to agree the terms. See, this could be a very wonderful one. Okay, so no, not that. Sorry, because it has not taken the proper thing. Okay, now you have to stretch this and give it next. So there is a lot to learn from this. See, actually it has correctly masked it. To show you, you can take this thing and you can rub it. For example, I'm keeping it here now. See, I'm rubbing it. So now what I'm doing next is I'm going to fill this up. Okay, you can fill the unwanted things. Okay, so you take this again, take this small one, and I don't want this thing to disturb our animation. Okay, so this would be better, and you just click next. Okay, every pose is given correctly and he has stretched his hand correctly. So this is an pose estimation one, and go there, and that's it. Our character is being created, and I will tell you how to import this. This is such a wonderful thing. I love this. Okay, see how he is jumping and is doing all those stuff now. So we can make 4 postures only. Okay, one is jumping, one is actually walking, and the another one is dancing is preferred, but when you put a end card in the game you can prefer that. But walking I would prefer this one. Okay, this would be a preferred one. This is a wonderful kind of walking thing because he is just running. But in the game, the character has to be very serious because he is being chased by the enemies and all those things. So you should not play like these. So let me make a very serious one like this one. Okay. Yeah, just a normal walk. We can convert it into run. Okay, we can convert it into run. One is walking and another one is jumping. Okay. What kind of jump do we need? Even there is a character for kicking also. You can even make a game like this. Okay, for punching, kicking, and you can make a very Street Fighter game stuff. So now what we are going to do is we are going to just make another one. So you have a very good jumping thing. So this one is good. So I'm going to choose this one, jumping. So you have three things. Okay. So this one is good for jumping. So now how we are going to, you have a walking one, you have a jumping one. Okay. And is there any other thing? There is nothing needed. Okay. Because we are going to make a platformer type of game. Okay, sir. Then what we have to do? It is so simple that you take these things. You take those things what you have downloaded. So this is the end of the game development, I think so, because these are so good in what they are doing. So you have a jump, a running jump, or a flying kick, or a catwalk, and let me copy all those things and put it in a folder. See, this is as fast as it can be done. Okay, these are all being generated by an artificial intelligence algorithm. Okay, you have to understand that. So now what I am doing is I am just doing giving a random name for this. Okay, now what I am going to do is, let me check. So this one is so good, and let me try for what to say. Let me try for a better one, no? Animated drawings. So let me take an so this one is really good. So let's make a 3D. As you can see, I have taken a 3D boy over here. Actually, it can even render in this deep learning. Okay, it is able to generate those pixels. Okay, it is so wonderful. So let us see how this output comes. So let's tap it. Oh, that's so good. Okay, so let me start over here with a very small masking, because this is good. This could be a very good tutorial. Okay, so let me take this pen and let's mask it. Okay, this is a very good one. Okay, okay, that's a good one, and you have to mask this like this. Okay, and mask this. Okay, and you have some things over here, and you have to mask these things. Okay, you have to give the masking correctly, because without the masking these could go error, or sorry, not error, actually this could not go, this could not perform well. Okay, they will not have that neat look. Okay, so my English is getting very rubbish. Okay, now what you have to do is you have just made a character and just give next. And for the post estimation, everything is ready. So it is given it accurately. Okay, and you are going to see that boy jumping, but I don't know why his leg is so bended, like he's affected by a polio or something. Okay, so let me take another one, like walking kind of thing. Okay, that this one is fine. Okay, this one is really fine. So you can take a one walking, and you can take one jumping. Okay, you can take one jumping. So this one is good. So let us take another walking and a jumping. Okay, so these are our characters. So, and we are going to frame it now. So the better choice for you would be the posture. When you are generating it with an artificial intelligence algorithm, I will tell you that it has to be generated in this manner. Okay, the kind of text you give and the kind of prompt you give to generate an text like this in a DALL-E, for those people who don't know what is DALL-E and all those things, these are all not being created by humans. These are all being generated by an artificial intelligence algorithm, and I have made a Tamil tutorial on that. I'll surely make an English tutorial on that as soon as possible. So you only note that now this is being animated by another artificial intelligence algorithm. See, having a skill is not going to work. You have to understand that having a skill or something is not going to work in the digital age of artificial intelligence. Okay, there are thousands of engineers, there are thousands of animators, there are thousands of many kinds of people. Okay, so now you have to have a very unique capability of connecting these things very fast. Okay, so you have this game is being created completely by an AI algorithm. Not even a single one is being created by a human. Okay, so you have this, you have a flying kick over here. Okay, This one is a flying kick, and this character is highly good. Okay, it is very good. Okay, and then you have a catwalk over here. So this would be our thing walking like this, but these shoes are turned up. So you can, when you are generating it, you have to be very careful at generating. So we have a walk and a jump. So now what we are going to do is we are going to make a walk. In here we are going to split those things. We are going to split everything. And the second one for our character, we are going to make a jump. Okay. See, this is very rapid prototyping. Okay, you can call this an very rapid prototyping, because this is highly made without any assistance of anybody. Okay, now I am not even a programmer or not even a very good animator or a any kind of skillful person what you are imagining. Okay, I am just a normal guy who is trying to publish a app in the Play Store. Okay, next what? So we are going to this. There is a very good repo. Sorry, there is a very good URL like online cutter. Okay, you can give it as MP4 to JPG. So this side is very good. Okay, MP4 to JPG online converter. It is so simple and easy. It is very unique. So you can upload up to 200 MB videos. That's so great. Okay. So now what you are going to do is you are going to wait, where this is. So it's in the desktop actually. We have given it as Hutch. Okay. Now you take this walk. Now we are going to gather this walk. Okay, I have uploaded it. Now I'm going to convert it. You can go to the options. So you have a frame size and everything. You don't have to worry about that because this is just a rough video. So let's start converting it. So now you have a thing called walk. Okay, now it will split all those images and it will give you like this. Okay, in a platformer game, these are the two main things. In a platformer game, these are the two main things. So the next one would be we have a walk, and now we are going to have a jump. Okay, now what you are going to do is just click the convert. So I have taken the images that has been converted into. So I have taken the images that has been sliced into the video that has been sliced into images. So now IMG of widths. Okay, so now what you are going to do is you are going to get here and you are going to paste this, and the catwalk, you can name it as anything you want. So we are going to cut the background. Okay, I just give it as catwalk. Okay, I'm going to unzip this. There will be plenty of images, up to 69 images. So you don't worry about that. Okay, so we are only going to take 10 or 20 images. So the next one would be jump for a game. So you can give it like this. Okay, so jump. Okay, after a long time I'm making this video. I need a very good response from all you guys, because I have just made some videos in Tamil which are not going good, but I am just coming back again. Okay, so now you have all those things. Now you should go to a free website like this. Remove background, REMOVE, remove BG. See, everything is automated. So now what you have to do is you have to get here and you have to just upload the images. You have to do it one by one. Okay, so go to the desktop and here it is, and you have a image to videos, and first you have to convert this walk. See, the boy is just walking from here. You can take this 4 or 5 images, that is enough, because up to here he has actually from here. Okay, first take this. This one is good, but I have forgot which image I took. Okay, so let me do it again. So take this one. So we can start from here. Okay, 28. First one is 28. Okay, so it is just minusing the background, or it is just removing the background. So let's do this. Okay, first one 28 is being created. So the next one would be from after 28 we can go for 29. So let's download it. So after 29 we can go for 30. Okay, like this, only just 10 images, and only thing is we need it for jumping also. Okay, so this is for 30. Okay, So the next one would be, let him walk to the center, no? Let him walk up to the center. So the last one would be 31. I think 30 we have taken. Okay, so again we have to go here. So again 32. So I think this is enough. Okay, so let's go for a jumping. Okay, let's go for jumping. So let's upload it. So let's start now. Okay, let's go for jumping. So get here, go for the jump. So actually starting from here, from 14. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, this 14. The next one would be 15. Is just jumping, starting to jump, because you have to remove these backgrounds. See, these are very this is what they call rapid prototyping. Okay, you can just submit these things anywhere you want. So we are going for 16. Okay, he has to get down. Actually, he has to get down. He should not be in the air when he is jumping. Okay, this is enough, I guess. So we have to download this. Okay, we have to download this. Okay, 14 and 15 we have missed it, I guess. Okay, 15, 14, 15, 16, and that's it. We have completed it. Okay, now even I have created some enemy things like crab and all those things which comes in the Mario or everything. Okay, it's not a big deal. So we can start in a GDevelop platform. So I'm just clicking this. Okay, and already I have made a video on this, how to make it. So I will teach you how to generate these images first. Okay, stable diffusion, you can go here and you can go to this website in the stability AI or stable diffusion. Okay, this is a free one. Okay, stable AI diffusion hugging face, hugging face, FACE. You can go here, and now what you have to do is you have to just click this. Okay, or you can choose another typical one. Okay, now you have this, you are going to generate. See, it is so simple that this is so random. A cartoon boy standing on land and facing you. This is a kind of facing you and stretching his hand, left, left, and right, right side. Okay, on stretching his hand, left side and right side. Okay, this may take some time. See, what I am doing is actually this would surely STRECH, stretching. Okay, this is a stretch, not screeching. The stretch and stretch his hand, STREACHING. Okay, stretching. Okay, this is the correct one. So he is stretching his hand left and right. So let us see how it is going to do that. Okay, so this is a free one, you can use it, stable diffusion. This is even better than DALL-E. Okay, what is this? What are you talking about? I don't understand, because I am not a programmer also. You just go to this website. This person does not exist. Okay, the kind of people who you are seeing here are not true. Okay, these are all people which are being created by an AI algorithm. You may tell me that I am just pasting something from I am web scraping and pasting something. I am taking something from the online. No, what you are seeing here is it is being created by an artificial intelligence algorithm, because you can see a girl with a mustache who doesn't want to post in a social forum and she doesn't want to show her mustache. But this is being actually created by an artificial intelligence algorithm. It may look very real to you, but this is not true. Okay, so now you have this and it is being generated. So even this is a generative adversarial networks. So the idea is very wild. Like generating a face, it could also generate some text prompts. Okay, it could also generate like some text prompts. As you can see this, this is a character which doesn't exist in this world, and you may tell it to anyone, that I may even fool somebody that this is my boyfriend or my girlfriend. Okay, so I may tell she's so cute, and I can tell her she's my girlfriend, but there is no person like this. How it is being see, actually in a machine learning algorithm, you can see that facial recognition in your phone and all those things. It will actually put a box in your face when you are just taking a photo or something. So this uses a very crisp algorithm like OpenCV or something. But when you take a special kind of one like other algorithms like generative adversarial and all those things, when you are giving a input to a neural network, it will give a text that this is a human. Okay, it will give you. But with the text, can you create an image? That is what we are doing here. Okay, so what I am doing is I am creating a kind of, oh my god, see, I am creating a actually I am creating a text out of these things. So actually I am creating an image out of text. Okay, the ideas are very wild, very wild. You can even expand this to anything. So there is also a chemical formula. This chemical does not exist. Okay, like this or horse does not exist. Okay, there is another thing called this horse does not exist. So it will create images of the horses which doesn't exist, and even they have expanded this idea. Okay, like this chemical does not exist. Okay, this chemical. So okay, so now what happens is that even I thought, because I am a very good fan of Kamala Hassan, so what I thought is, can we make a thing like Kamala Hassan is standing like or doing like this? So you have this, and each and every time when you are doing, it will give a very unique kind of. So the WebGL is not found here. Okay, WebGL is nothing but a 3D buffering thing. So you can see that this is a very unique chemical compound which is being created, but you don't know about its affinity value. Okay, how strong it is, how bonded it is, you don't know, but it will be keep on creating a chemical like this. So in that manner, we are trying to create a character like this. Okay, even I was very amazed by other things like you have a stability, you have a very good credit for this. Okay, and I will tell you how to use this. Actually, you have a stability AI. You can go to this beta 1, even create many characters. You can even create wonderful characters. So I will tell you how to tweak these things. First, you have to give your email ID. See, only thing is that you have to make a 640 cross 640 thing. Okay, but I don't have any credits now. The better model would be Hune and LMS. Okay, these are all better models, and this is a kind of random seed. When you start to generate this seed, if you have an image showing up like this, for example, I am generating this, but I don't have any kind of what to say, any kind of credits, I guess. So now what it will do is it will start creating a thing, a dream of distant galaxy, Casper and David. So see how unique it is. See, okay. So you can also tune the iterations. For example, if I'm keeping it at 100, it depends on your correct tweaking value, and you can also do that. So for example, I am taking this. See how it has created the cartoon boy character. These are all very unique. So now what I am doing is, this is a free one, and the stability AI is not a free one. So now what I am doing, I am again creating a character like this. Okay, so it is starting to create, and the things are endless. Okay, so for example, I will make a very funny one, like a lion is doing yoga. A lion is doing yoga and telling namaste. Okay, the lion is doing yoga and telling namaste. Okay, so let it create. Okay, it is too busy, so don't worry, you can just give it another time. Okay, so let me create it. Okay, let me start. Okay, let me start. A lion is doing yoga and telling namaste. So you can go here and go to the Dream Studios. So see how unique it is. It is creating a boy like that. So let me create a thing like this. Okay, let me take it. I think 50 would be better. Okay, 50 or 60 would be better for steps. So these are the good values I can tell you to have a better result. okay, because I have tried it for a long time. And the CFG scale, you keep it at 7. You keep this as 640 and 640. So you have a model like stable diffusion 1.5. Okay, 1.4 I don't think it is very good because it's a very unique model. So now what I'm doing is I will give you a taste of this Hune model. Okay, let me dream it first. So it will go very fast. So let us get back here. Okay, so these are the things. What I'm telling is that it is even able to create humans. It is even able to create all. See, this is very unique. This is very unique. See, it is like a lion doing a yoga. This is really great. Okay, this is so funny and this is really great. Okay, okay. So let me do it again. Okay, this is really a fun stuff to play with. Okay, so this is a Hune model. Hune model has a very unique one. Okay, and the most of the time when I tried it, let me show you this KLMS, because I don't usually use other models, because I only use these two models to generate. Okay, and please use it with the correct thing, because nudity and all those things are being prevented in this. So let me go to 60 and give it a try. Okay, let me start to try. So it is giving the same thing again and again. So this is what I am telling. Okay, this could be a very unique one, and this could really lead to, for example, Thanos comes to Madurai. Okay, Madurai is a temple city. Thanos, I think Thanos spelling is correct. Thanos is standing in front of Madurai Meenakshi temple. Meenakshi temple, and telling, I am also Madurai fellow. Nanu Madurai karan danda. Like that, Thanos is telling in Tamil what you have to. And telling, I am also Madurai fellow, because they used to tell this in Madurai, because wherever they go, they feel that Madurai people are very terror, but not like that. We are so polite and all those things. Okay, but because every kind of civilization started from Madurai. Okay, so every kind of Meenakshi, okay, Meenakshi temple. Okay, and I am. Okay, Madurai Meenakshi temple. It's correct. Okay, so Meenakshi temple. So I think this stable diffusion is a really good one. Okay, standing in front of. Okay, standing spelling STANDING. Okay, this is so good. So let's start doing this. Okay, so I have kept it in 60. Let's see how it performs. Okay, these are the ways to prepare a thing. Okay, it can even make some very funny things and everything. Okay, it can even make some funny things and everything. See how it is actually understanding Thanos. Actually, it is understanding Thanos as some kind of god. Okay, it is a very wrong one, but it should not do that. Okay, so that's why I have not done that. Okay, so see, lion is doing yoga and telling namaste. Okay, so this one, stable diffusion 1.5, is a very good one. So now what we are going to do is, so okay, auto save everything. Okay, how we are going to do these things, this game or anything. Already made a character like this. So for example, I am clicking this boy, and this is so simple that I have made him in this manner. But when you are just going to GDevelop or anything, GDevelop is an open source platform for game development. You just go here, and there are only two concepts you have to understand. You go to this edit collision mask, and now what you do, you can tweak this collision mask. Okay, use a custom collision mask, or you can just keep this collision mask in a manner. Okay, sorry, I don't want to edit anything. So now what I'm doing is I'm adding it. Okay, I'm going to the downloads, and I know that this walking and all those things are being performed in this manner. So he is walking from right to left. So take these. Okay, so start from here now. So select all these things, and that's so good. Okay, it is just asking that it is suitable. So you just delete the selection, other things. Okay, and now you go here. Now he is going to jump. So I'm going to select this jump. Okay, so I'm just going to take one thing only. Okay, I'm just going to take one thing only. When he's just jumping, it is going to show. The another one would be is just idle. It's not moving. Okay, so when it's idle, I just want him to stand straight. So let us keep it like this. Okay, and that's it. And delete this selection. You can see that preview. Okay, it's just like this. And if you can also see the preview over here. Okay, it's just walking or something. So you can just manipulate it. Okay, there is no problem with that. So now let's start playing that game now. So as you can see here, you can even make an Android game out of this or anything. Okay, now just click this. So it is taking some time. So let's go here and see a lion is doing yoga, and it is able to get some very good images, and even it has put a yoga mat for that. Okay, so it is so good that you cannot avoid these things in future. Okay, so this will be a great deal now. Okay, so let me go for another one, because Kamal Hassan as Joker in Batman. Kamal Hassan as Joker character in Batman, because we are just trying it. Okay, let's get back here and see. Actually the boy is over here, and you can see that he's able to jump. Okay, it's taking too long. So you just click this first. So again you just go here and just do this. Okay, so you have to just edit this mask. You have to keep this within this. Okay, but it should be stretched correctly, and the image things all should be managed correctly. So you just give this. Oh, that's wonderful. That is really wonderful. Okay, so this is Kamal Hassan as a Joker character in Batman. Okay, so let's see what else it has to do. So this you just use this stable diffusion 1.5. I don't think 1.4 is doing well. Okay, if you have this seed, you can perform it again. Okay, if you do, you just switch this seed off. It will be okay. Image could not be generated because we have lost all those credits. Okay, no problem. This is the deal, because there could be no copyright or anything for this, because these all images are being created by you. Okay, so you have it here. The boy is standing over there, and see how it is jumping. Okay. Okay, so it is very tiny to see that, but you can even publish a game, you can monetize this game, you can do whatever you want. Okay, so I even published a game in the Play Store by using this, and that game is called Blue Brain Robo Assembler. Okay, Blue Brain Robo Assembler. Okay, you can see this. This is also available in Play Store and all those things. Okay, you can go to the Play Store and just type Blue Brain Robo Assembler. I made it for a company. Okay, I just told them this is possible. Okay, so this is what we call an rapid development, Android app development, game development. So this could really change everything. Okay, it could even make many of us jobless, but we don't worry. But look at the images now. Look at the images. How perfection is being involved in this. Okay, how much amount of perfection is being, even a normal artist could not do this. Okay, it is very accurate and very good. Okay, and thank you. After a long time I have put an English video, so there will be more videos on this, on a rapid prototyping of games. We would be creating game assets also using this, and also backgrounds also using this, and we will be making an adventure game, Candy Crush game, and all those things. Please stay with us. and thank you for all your support, because without my even Tamil audience are very good, I don't blame anyone, but the people who started our channel, the main support was from the overseas audience, mainly from Mexico, USA, and China. Even in China they used to watch our video, and there are many countries which are being very are really very appreciating us. Okay, so please support us in every means. Okay, so then only we can make a very good things. So you also have build box and all those things, but I use gdevelop. Okay, so please support us. We need very good people to encourage us and push us forward. Okay, thank you.